Introduction. Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? Between work deadlines, personal commitments, and the endless stream of distractions, managing time effectively can seem impossible. Enter time management. Using time blocking techniques, a proven strategy to reclaim control of your schedule. This video dives into the science, implementation, and tools behind time blocking, empowering you to boost focus, reduce stress, and achieve more with your 24 hours. What is time management? Using time blocking techniques. Time blocking is a method where you divide your day into dedicated chunks for specific tasks. Instead of juggling multiple to-dos, you assign each activity a fixed slot, minimizing distractions and decision fatigue. Think of it as creating a roadmap for your day, where every meeting, email session, or coffee break has its place. Key benefits include reduced multitasking and improved focus, clear boundaries between work and personal time, a visual overview of priorities to avoid overcommitment. The science behind time blocking. Why does this method work so well? Let's break it down. Parkinson's law in action. This principle states that work expands to fill the time allotted. By setting strict time limits, you train your brain to complete tasks efficiently. Minimized context switching. Research shows shifting between tasks can waste up to 40% of productive time. Time blocking encourages deep focus on one activity. Psychological clarity. A structured schedule reduces anxiety by eliminating the "what should I do next?" Dilemma. How to implement time blocking in 5 steps. Audit your current schedule. Track your activities for 3 to 5 days. Identify time sinks and peak productivity hours. Prioritize ruthlessly. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks. Urgent and important. Do now. Important, not urgent. Schedule later. Urgent, not important. Delegate. If neither, eliminate. Design your time blocks. Assign tasks to specific slots. Deep work blocks, 90-minute sessions for high-focus tasks. Administrative blocks, 30-minute slots for emails or calls. Flex blocks, buffer time for unexpected tasks. Use tools wisely. Digital calendars like Google Calendar or analog planners work. Color code blocks for visual clarity. Review and adapt weekly. Reflect on what worked and adjust blocks to align with shifting priorities. Common challenges and solutions. Challenge. Underestimating task duration. Fix. Start with 25% buffer time. If a project takes an hour, block 75 minutes. Challenge. Frequent interruptions. Fix. Communicate your schedule to others. Use Do Not Disturb mode during critical blocks. Challenge. Rigidity leading to burnout. Fix. Include leisure blocks, for example, 4 to 5 p.m. Walk or read to recharge. Top tools for time management. Using time blocking techniques. Google Calendar. Color-coded blocks with reminders. Todoist. Sync tasks with calendar slots. Focus at will. Music tailored to boost concentration during work blocks. Toggle track. Analyze time spent versus planned. Frequently asked questions. Your time blocking queries answered. Can time blocking work for unpredictable jobs? Absolutely. Use flexible blocks, for example, 2 to 4 p.m. project work instead of hyper-specific tasks. How does time management using time blocking techniques differ from to-do lists? To-do lists outline what to do. Time blocking specifies when to do it, reducing procrastination. What if I'm a parent with irregular routines? Batch similar tasks and adjust weekly. How long should each block be? Match task complexity. 25 to 30 minutes for quick tasks, 90 minutes for deep work. Conclusion. Mastering time management. Using time blocking techniques isn't about cramming more into your day. It's about working smarter. By designing an intentional schedule, you'll unlock higher productivity, reduce stress, and finally achieve that elusive work-life balance. Start small. Block just 1 hour tomorrow for your most critical task. As you refine your approach, you'll discover that time, when managed wisely, becomes your greatest ally.